Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have the right permissions and the correct portal selected. Next, open Automation Workflows and click Create Workflow. Choose the object you'll automate and select a template or start from scratch. Once done, set the primary enrollment trigger, form submission, property change, or a specific date, because that determines who enters the flow. Make sure to preview enrollment criteria so only relevant records are included before you proceed to build actions. You'll now construct the middle section where actions and logic live. Add actions in sequence, delay steps, send email, update property, create task, or call webhooks. Use short delays to throttle communications. Then insert if/then branches to personalize paths based on property values, lists, or lead score thresholds. Also include enrollment suppression or re-enrollment rules to prevent loops. Once complete, test each branch with sample contacts to confirm paths and timing behave as expected. You finish by reviewing and activating. Run through the test enrollments and watch the workflow history to validate each step. When satisfied, toggle the workflow to on and monitor early performance metrics like sends, opens, and property updates. If things go wrong, check one key area first: re-enrollment and suppression settings, because accidental re-entry or excluded segments are the most common causes of failures. Finally, iterate. Adjust delays, refine branches, and retest until the flow runs reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.